All right, let's look at question 28. It says factorize 3 minus 2x minus x squared. Okay, let's rewrite it. X squared minus 2x plus 3. What's come here? Factorize, bring out this negative. So this is negative, this is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now let's factorize this. This is negative 3 times this. That will be negative 3x squared. Now look for two numbers such that when I multiply them, I will get 3x, negative 3x squared. And when I add them together, I will have positive 2x squared. So the factors are 3x and x. Now, that will be 3x and negative x. Because this times this will give me this. When I add this to it, will give me this. So replace this by this. So this becomes x squared plus 3x minus x minus 3. Don't forget we still have our negative 1 here. Now factorize by grouping. What's common here? That's x into bracket x plus 3. Then what's common here? Negative 1 into bracket x plus 3. Of course, we still have our negative outside here, negative 1. So this is x minus 1, x plus 3. So this is the same thing as this one here. Is the same thing as negative x plus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus x. Then you have x plus 3. When this negative goes into this, so which is option this is option D.